So once again, we've covered the truth that x0 has the same data as y0. That's true. And that x0 is y0. They're one and the same thing. True. Now let's be bad and naughty. Let's go to y. Here's y. It has a 0th element and a 1th element. Let's reference the 0th element. That's what this is saying. And within the 0th element, its 1th element. That would be the 1 here. When I hit enter, I should get 6. 0. And now this is the 0th element. Now the 1th element would be here. That's the 6. And that's what I get, 6. Well, what's the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to be really bad. I'm going to say, why? Know that 0th element of yours? Yes. The one that has a 0 and a 1th element inside? Yes. Well, take its 1th element, that's pointing to 6 right now, and make that equal to 99. So he comes over to here, and he puts in 99. Crosses this out, replaces it with 99. I hit enter, and then I key in y again, and I should get 5 and 99. 599 on this side, and then 7 and 8 on the other side. Wow. Now for certain we've made changes. Y is now 599. Let's now compare x's 0th element with y's 0th element. They should be different now, yes? They should be. I just made a change to y. x0 is y0? I get true. How could they be the same? I just changed y's 1th element. I key in x, and I should get 5 and 6. But I don't. I get 5 and 99 there. I should have gotten in the 0th element 5 and 6, but I didn't. I got 5 and 99. But I changed it in y. How could this happen? If I key in y and hit enter, again, 5 and 99. I made the change in y. How did this get into x? Very simple. Come over to here and watch. X and y are separate objects in memory. That's clear and obvious. But the 0th element of x and the yth element of x point to the same thing. This list object, which is right there. They both point to this guy. And this guy points to here and here. And what is in here and here will automatically be reflected here. And this is what this fellow and this fellow are both referencing. The two placeholders are referencing this list, which references the two numbers. If the number changes here, it's going to change in the list. If it changes in the list, it's going to change both of these guys. Because both of these placeholders are referencing the list. The list references the numbers. Change the numbers, the list changes. The list changes, both x and y change in the 0th element. Wow. So I key in x0, and what do I get? 599. I key in y0, what do I get? 5 and a 99. These two, the 0th element here and the 0th element here, are joined at the hip through the list, which they both reference here. So, in essence, the two placeholders point to the same list. The list references the numbers. The numbers get changed, the list gets updated, and x and y automatically reflect that change. And that's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole. If you enjoyed this video, please rate it by clicking on the like button. I'd appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.